Once again, hello everyone, this is Dr. Nikisha Jariwala. In the series of sharing my experience related to my books, let me add one more. That is my third book entitled Data Structures Using C. It got published in June 2013. While writing my third book, the effort that it took place at the time of my first and second books was really very helpful. As the title was totally different, along with other things, I also need to consider algorithms, programs, examples, and sample exercises. But comparatively, the phase of writing my third book was smoother than the previous two. Once again, I would like to thank my near and dear ones for always supporting and encouraging me. If you are curious to know regarding my fourth book, stay connected and thank you for watching.